Welcome back, Quiz Factory. It's time for the Choose Your Gift challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ready. Let's begin. Which car would you choose? Which car do you prefer? Which car would you drive? Which car do you like more? Which car is your favorite? Which car would you select? Which car is your first choice? Which car is your first choice? Which car would you pick? Which car looks better? Which car would you buy? Which car would you take home? Which car matches your style? Which car would you keep? Which car would you love to drive? Which car is your dream choice? Which car would you choose today? Which car is perfect for you? Which car would you like as a gift? Which car would you choose for a trip? Which car would you choose for yourself? Which car would you take on vacation? Which car would you drive every day? Which car would you choose, A or B? Which car do you find attractive? Which car would you choose for your family? Which car would you like in your garage? Which car would you prefer for a long drive? Which car would you choose for a weekend? Which car would you choose for comfort? Which car would you prefer, A or B? Which car would you love to own? Which car is your first choice? Which car would you take on a road trip?